That's a good question. Can wild turkeys fly? Get them. Go get them. Go get them. Don't look like it. Oh, they can. Oh, damn. Right up into the tree. Huh. Good to know if I ever go hunting. I'm on my way home from working, and I just called Rossler Transmission and told them to deliver my transmission to my house, so it should be there in just a couple of days. Oh, I'm geeking out right now. Something that I've wanted for a long time, but could never afford, is finally here. My Rossler transmission. And these guys are so important, I want you to check this out. Rossler Transmissions, Rossler Drive. They have their own damn street name. I'm gonna reach that status one day. So I'm kind of debating how I want to take this off and see this for the first time. Do I want to pull it off and keep my eyes closed, and then I can surprise myself like on Christmas morning, or should I just... Screw it. I'm going to let you guys look at it, and then I'm going to look at it. Okay, get the box out of my way first. And eyes are closed, eyes are closed. Aw. It's all packaged up. No. Crap, out of the way. Kind of ruined it. What size my shirt, what my shirt size was. Do you mind? Go away. Go. He asked me what my shirt size is, and I asked them if they had any long sleeve shirts, because that's what I've been wearing lately. And I've been trying to get rid of all my short sleeve shirts, but it looks like I'm at least gonna wear their shirt, probably just the one time for this video, but then because it's a short sleeve, I'll probably never wear it again. Okay, so there's one shirt. Rossler Performance Transmissions. Here's another one. Oh. So they get, yeah, okay. They gave me two shirts because neither one of them is my size. The size that I asked for, I guess they didn't have it. So they got me. Oh, it says Rossler Transmission, RosslerTrans.com on the back of it. Oh, no, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they got me two different sizes here. So this one's too small. This one's too big. So, yeah. There's that. Turbo 400. 3-speed. And here's the brand new torque converter that's going with it. Now, it was supposed to be a 6-bolt. They sent me a damn 3-bolt and lied about what it is on Amazon. And Amazon, for the last 3 months, has been fighting me about coming and picking the thing up and giving me my money back so I can get a 6-bolt. So they refused to come and pick it up. It sat out on my doorstep for 3 damn months, risking getting stolen. And Amazon told me that if it got stolen, it was going to be my fault after. There's a lot of damn traffic going by today. After they had already told me before in conversations that if I set something out that is scheduled to be picked up and it gets stolen, that's not my fault. Now they've changed their policy to where if I set this out there and it gets stolen, it is my fault now all of a sudden. So they leave it out there for 3 months and never come and pick it up. So thank you, Scamazon. Appreciate that. And they said it was reverse pattern? Son of a bitch. I need to call them again, make sure, because this is reverse pattern. I need to make sure that this is a reverse pattern shifter. I believe that means park, reverse, neutral, 1, 2, 3. So you shift going this way, back toward you, instead of going forward from 1, 2, 3. So pull that sucker backwards. So as far as I know, I've got the right one. But whether I do or don't, the one that I've got on there, I believe, is a forward pattern. So forward pattern means you're pushing the shifter forward to go up in gears, and reverse means you're going backwards to go down, to go up in gears. I think. I hope. There you go. New torque converter, new shift gate, new transmission. So let's go win some races.